Right, so that's Friday over and done with, and I was hoping to get in there over the weekend to finish, but the people are busy over the weekend, so that's a no-go. But that's all right, because I'm going to Andrew's tomorrow. Now, for those of you that's just subscribed to the channel and maybe don't know about Andrew's job, it might be worth just going back on the playlist and having a look. I don't know what I've entitled them. I think Andrew's name would be in there somewhere, but the first time I went there was to do these very odd green tiles in his bathroom. So if you do go back and watch any of that stuff, it will get you up to speed on Andrew and what the job was and who he is and what he's about. So for those that are up to speed with Andrew, I think the last time I was there, I was trying to fit the toilet. I bought that toilet and I tried to plumb it in for him, and I couldn't get the waste to work out and it was leaking. So I rang up a mate of mine, a plumber, and he went and sorted it out. And what had happened, whoever Andrew had there first to rip this bathroom out, because there was a bit of confusion about who had actually started this work. Obviously I went in there halfway through some job that was a very strange thing, and sort of took it over as a bit of a, not a pity job, I wouldn't say it's pity for the man, but just like a bit of a helping hand, because the bloke had no one else to do it. And anyway, you know about Andrew. But so when the plumber went there, he said whoever had taken the old stuff out, they'd cut the waste pipe down ridiculously low to the floor, and there was no way to get the proper fitting in, because what had happened, the toilet had been moved from, say, this side of the wall over to here. So the waste had to be run a longer distance. But I don't know who he had in there at first, but it sounds like it wasn't a plumber. It sounds like it was a bit of a bodger. But anyway, he's cut this thing off wrong at the floor level. The plumber, Mark, couldn't get any fitting to really work it out. So what he did, he bought a macerator and he fitted that in, and he got it all working lovely. And I'll insert a picture of that here. So all good. Andrew's toilet's working. Andrew can now have a poo. Toilet's flushing. But what we don't realise is the council are coming around to inspect it. Now, he's told me none of this. He's not mentioned the council. I had a feeling it was a council property, but I wasn't 100% sure. He had told me nothing. He just wanted what he wanted. So anyway, the council have gone in and they've looked at the macerator, and for some reason they've said, no, we can't have that. It's got to come out. And I think now the council are going to put a new gravity fed thing in. I'm not exactly sure what's happened. Anyway, Mark's all right. He's been paid for the macerator, and it just seems like a waste of money for Andrew, really. So I think we have got to go back there to do other bits to put this bath in. But I'm going back there tomorrow because I think I've got to finish off a few tiles. He got enough tiles to do the other part of the wall. So I did the back wall. I did the wall on there, which would be the right hand side. Now he's got enough tiles. He's found some more of these tiles for the left hand wall. It's only a few tiles. So I'm going back there tomorrow. So there's probably a few shenanigans to go on. So I'll take you there tomorrow and see if I can make a video out of that. But yeah, that's it really. So it's Friday evening. I'm going to have a nice chill out, and I'm not going to get to Andrew's tomorrow till about 9:10. I just don't think I could be sort of facing going in there at 8 o'clock in the morning after I've had such a lovely week in Mallorca. So thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks for subscribing. Hope you're finding it all entertaining, and hopefully I'll put a video out tomorrow night, and we'll see what Andrew's about. We'll see what's going on with him, because I can't make head or tail of his texts. He's a law unto himself, that bloke, but he's good fun. Anyway, I'll see you soon.